uCertify offers machine learning with Python course prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the Machine Learning with Python course exam today with uCertify. The course imparts skills required for understanding machine learning algorithms, models, core machine learning concepts, evaluating classifiers and regressors, connections, and extensions. In this uCertify course, you will receive pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. It consists of interactive lessons and learning resources with flashcards, quizzes, and glossary terms. uCertify comes complete with hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you'll receive post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will understand the following concepts: regression, how to evaluate and compare learners, how to evaluate classifiers and regressors, classification and regression methods, how to manipulate data for fun and profit, how to tune hyperparameters and pipelines, how to combine learners and domain-specific learning, and connections, extensions, and further directions. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.